Present continuous tense. Uses. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening at the current moment or around the present time. It emphasizes the temporary nature of the action and indicate that is in the progress. For example, they are singing a song. Helping verbs for the present continuous tense. She, he, and singular name will be followed by is will be used. They, you, were will follow by. The helping verb are. Pronoun I will be followed by am. I'm going. Affirmative structure for the present continuous tense. Subject helping verbs is am our base form of verb objects. For example, Jawad is attending right now. I'm watching the news on the television. They are working in the field. Negative sentences structure. Subject helping verb is am or not base form of verb and object. For example, Jawad is not attending the meeting right now. I'm not watching the news on television. They are not working in the field. Interrogative sentences structure. Helping verbs is am, or subject base form of verbing an object. Is Jawad attending the meeting right now? Am I watching the news on television? Are they working in the field? Remember, present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening right now or around the present time. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us.